E C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Here is my food and drink. A is for apple pie. A is for avocado toast. A is for almond milk. Here is my food and drink. Food and drink. Food and drink. B is for bagels. B is for banana bread. B is for blueberry juice. Here is my food and drink. Food and drink. Food and drink. E is for chocolate cake. C is for cereal. C is for carrot sticks. Here is my food and drink. Food and drink. Food and drink. D is for donuts. E is for dumplings. E is for dragon fruit. E is for eggs. E is for edamame. E is for eclairs. Here is my food and drink. Food and drink. Food and drink. F is for French fries. F is for fruit salad. F is for fig bars. G is for gummy bears. G is for grapes. G is for granola. H is for hot dogs. H is for honeydew. H is for honeydew. I is for ice cream. I is for iced tea. I is for Italian ice. J is for jelly beans. J is for juice. J is for jam toast. K is for kiwi. K is for ketchup. K is for kale chips. L is for lemonade. L is for lollipops. L is for lettuce. M is for muffins. M is for mac and cheese. M is for milk. N is for nachos. N is for noodles. N is for nut butter. O is for oranges. O is for oatmeal. O is for onion rings. P is for pancakes. P is for pineapple. P is for popcorn. Q is for quesadilla. Q is for quiche. Q is for quinoa. R is for raspberries. R is for rice. R is for root beer. S is for sandwich. S is for strawberries. S is for smoothies. T is for tacos. T is for tangerines. T is for tea. U is for udon noodles. U is for upside down cake. U is for ugly fruit. V is for vanilla ice cream. V is for veggie soup. V is for vinegar chips. W is for watermelon. W is for waffles. W is for...
Thank you for watching our videos. We appreciate your time, energy, and effort.